guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create and join a private server with your friends in Murder Mystery 2. And let's get straight into the video. So you can go ahead and make your way over to charts. You're going to look for Murder Mystery 2, should be under top playing now, or you could just search it up in the search bar. Anyways, once you are on the home page, what you want to do is you want to click on the double player icon that's right here. Then you want to go ahead and click on create private server. Now once you're at the create private server tab, it does cost about 10 Robux. So once you go ahead and purchase the private server, it should say right here where it says no servers found, it should say the server with your name on it or your profile picture or whatever. You can go ahead and join in, and basically once you're in the server, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just hit escape on your keyboard or whatever mouse, phone, whatever you're on. You want to go over to people, and then you want to go over to invite connections, and then you can go ahead and invite your friends from here. So yeah, that is basically it for the video. That is how to play or create and join a private server with your friends in Murder Mystery 2. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.